Welcome to this video where we'll explore how to load dynamic content into modals and off canvases using Bootstrap 5, vanilla JavaScript, and AJAX, all without relying on jQuery. This topic is particularly interesting because it shows us how to create dynamic and interactive web applications that enhance the user experience. In today's web development landscape, being able to dynamically update content within your application is crucial. Users expect seamless interactions with websites, and loading dynamic content into modals or off canvases without a full page reload can significantly improve this interaction. Bootstrap 5 provides an excellent framework for structuring these components, but integrating dynamic content requires some understanding of JavaScript and AJAX. In this video, we'll walk through the steps involved in loading dynamic content in modals and off canvases using pure vanilla JavaScript and AJAX without needing jQuery. By the end of this video, you should have a solid grasp on how to achieve this functionality for your own projects. Let's start by understanding what we're trying to accomplish. We want to load content dynamically into Bootstrap 5 modals or off canvases using vanilla JavaScript and AJAX style. To do this, we'll first need to set up our modal or off canvas component with a unique identifier in our HTML. When the user interacts with an element that should trigger the loading of dynamic content, for example, clicking on a button to open a modal, we use JavaScript to listen for this event and send an AJAX request to a server-side endpoint. This endpoint processes the request and returns the data we want to display in our modal or off canvas. On the client side, once the AJAX request is successful, we update the content of the modal or off canvas with the received data. This process ensures that only the necessary content is loaded when needed, without requiring a full page reload. To make this process smoother and more efficient, Bootstrap 5 provides classes and utilities to handle the display and hiding of modals and off canvases based on their state. For instance, adding or removing specific classes can trigger transitions or animations that enhance the user experience. Let's consider an analogy to better understand this workflow. Imagine you're ordering food from a restaurant. You place your order, send an AJAX request. The chef prepares it. Server processes the request, and then your food is delivered to your table. Receive data back and update modal off canvas content. This entire process happens without you needing to leave the dining area. Full page reload. We covered how to set up Bootstrap 5 modals or off canvases for dynamic content. We discussed using vanilla JavaScript to send AJAX requests when triggered by user interactions. We outlined how server-side endpoints process these requests and return data that we then load into our modal or off-canvas components dynamically. In loading dynamic content into modals and off-canvases with Bootstrap 5, vanilla JavaScript, and AJAX is a powerful technique for enhancing the user experience of your web applications. It allows for seamless interactions without full-page reloads, making your application feel more responsive and efficient. If you have any questions about this topic or want to share how you've implemented dynamic content loading in your projects, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful and subscribe for more web development tutorials and tips.